discuss projection, isometric projections, combination of solids. Okay, combination of solids means if you read this problem number 9, you will understand. A sphere of 50 diameter is resting on the top of a square block. Say square block is different, okay, and sphere is different, right? So these are connected together. Okay, it is called combination. So for the whole assembly, okay, for the whole arrangement, what is the isometric projection? Okay, so can you tell me what is the front view of a sphere?
Circle, sir.
Circle. Top view of a sphere?
Circle, sir.
What is the top view of a sphere?
Circle, sir.
Circle only. Even if you see from the left hand side view, what is the left hand side view of a sphere?
Yes, sir.
Circle only, sir.
Circle only. Okay. Even if you see the sphere, if you see the sphere in isometric view, it is also a sphere, a circle. Okay, it's also a circle. There is no doubt. But when you putting this circle on the top of a square block in isometric view, we need to follow some methodology. Okay, that I am going to explain. Okay, first of all, the sphere is resting on the top of a square block. Can you draw the isometric view of a square block? Can
Yes,
you?
sir.
How do you do it?
Till rhombus step we have to do it, sir. 30 degrees, two lines.
Yeah. First of all, you need to draw the uh,
Two shapes.
orthographic view, right? Orthographic
Yes.
view of the arrangement. Okay. Let us draw the orthographic view. For example, a sphere is resting on the top of a square block. What is the orthographic view in the top view? Can you guess? If it is a top view,
A circle inside a square, sir.
very good. Square block appears as a square in the top view, right? And the sphere which is resting on the top of the square block is also appearing as a circle. So it is resting on the top of the square block. Let us assume it is resting at the center of the square block. Okay, let us assume like that. Okay, now we can first draw the orthographic view. Okay, for the arrangement. Okay, sometimes only one view is sufficient to draw the uh, isometric view. So you first you need to draw the square block, square in the top view. Again, inside the square, what is the object resting?
Circle, sir.
It's a circle. So circle diameter is a little bit less compared to the square block, right? So you will get something like this. So can you see the dimensions? Here you see sphere 50 diameter and square block 60 by 60. This is the height of the square block. 20 is the height of the square block. So 60 by 60 you can see in the top view. You cannot see this 20 right? So 60 by 60. Let me put the dimensions, okay? Because it is important to show you the dimensions also. Uh, for example, this is the dimension. What is this dimension?
60 mm, sir.
It is given something like 60 by 60, right? So 60. This is square. So how to represent square? Just you put a small square box here. So that means it's a square of 60. And how to put the radius of the circle? You can use some center mark here, and you can draw one radius line like this, and you can draw one horizontal line. There you can put the value r, which is equal to 20. What the radius is
25, sir.
25. Radius 25. So this is the orthographic view. I think this is sufficient to draw the isometric view, orthogonal, orthogonal or orthographic view. Okay. I think this is the true shape, right? You can see from the top of the given arrangement. I can see this is the top view, which is also I can say the true shape. So which method you need to apply to draw the isometric view?
First method,
Yeah, first method in the sense,
230 degrees lines.
yeah, you need to draw one horizontal line and you need to draw two isometric axes 30 degrees to the horizontal line. Am I correct?
Yes,
Something,
sir.
something like this. 30 degrees here and one more 30 degrees here. Okay. Yeah. So I will draw a little bit downwards because yeah, somewhere I will draw here. Now tell me what the next immediate step. First of
We need
all,
to draw parallel lines.
parallel lines to construct a rhombus, right? So for the bottom object, which is square block, first we need to construct it. So square becomes rhombus. In that rhombus, we will create a square block, and again we will go for sphere later. Okay. First we construct a rhombus to incorporate the square block. Okay. So let me give the names PQ, something like PQRS. Okay. P Q R S. So all of you listen carefully. This is frequently given in the previous exams. Generally, whenever sphere is there involved in the problem, such problems are very important. Okay. Uh, Let me draw PQRS in the isometric view. So for that, what I will do is first I will take one point P. Initially, I will take the point P on the horizontal line, from where I have drawn already two lines, isometric axis, 30 degrees and 30 degrees. Okay, these two are 30 and 30. This is 30. This is also 30 degrees. That is important. Okay. So this is we call it as method 1 or method 2, whatever it may be. So this is one method. Whenever the true shape appears in the top view, you go by this method. You go by this method. So this is also angle 30 degrees. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Now take your compass, measure the distance PQ from the orthographic view. PQ, you take, it will be 60 only, right? It will be 60. Take your compass, set the radius 60. Okay, draw arc from P. You take 60 mm and cut this line as well as this axis both with a 60 mm because the distance between PQ and QR or PS, this is square, right? All 60. So if you take compass, transfer the distance PQ from P here, this is the center to here, 60 mm. Now it is the parallel line. Now you need to draw with the mini drafter. With mini drafter. So you need to draw one parallel line from this arc parallel to this line. Okay. Similarly, you draw one more parallel line from here. So these are 30 degrees lines only. Okay. Because we are drawing parallel to the 30 degrees lines. So these lines are also 30 degrees. Okay. Now, name it as PQRS. I think this is Q. Use capital letters because this is not projection. This is a view only, isometric views. Okay. And that too we are using true lens. We are not reducing with the factor that is 0.82. Okay. We are simply uh, taking the actual values, not reduced values. Okay. So PQRS we have constructed as rhombus. Okay, so the square becomes rhombus. Now, what is this square we have constructed in the? What is the square you are looking at in the orthographic view? What is that square? What is that square?
60 by 60, sir.
No, no. I am asking what is that real object? What is
Base, sir.
the real object is?
Cube.
Base.
The real object given in the problem is square
Square
block.
block.
Square block. So it is having some height 20 mm, right? If you look at this problem, 20 by 60 by 60, 60 by 60 already you have done, right? Now 20
Yes.
height we need to take. Something like we have done hexagonal prism or pentagonal prism we have done, right? So if axis is some 60 mm, what we have done? From PQRS we have taken 60 mm lines, vertical lines. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So same thing, the height is only 20 mm. You draw 20 mm lines, vertical lines, something like this. 20 mm, 20 mm, 20 mm, 20 mm. Now you need to join all these things, all the ends. Automatically you are finding one more rhombus at the top. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Is this appearing as something like square block?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Now, so if you observe at the top of this square block, if you observe, there is a again one rhombus at the top. You have created. Automatically, it is created. Now, this is the surface or face which we need to take the base of the sphere. We need to keep the sphere on the top of this square block. Now, what is to be done? Okay, what is to be done? Can we place this circle, because isometric view of a sphere also a circle, right? Can you take the same circle and can we place somewhere? I will draw. I will show you. Can I draw this sphere somewhere here like this? Can you agree with me? Is it accepted?
No, sir.
Or if you place here, it is not accepted. If you place like this, will you accept? There is some standard uh, standard point, center point of the circle. We need to find out. Then only it is looking good. Okay, you cannot place somewhere like this or somewhere like this. Okay, if I place somewhere here, it looks good. It is looking good, but uh, we need to find out the center of the circle. Circle radius 25 only. Remember, in isometric view or projection, the circle radius is 25 only. You need not change it. But where I need to take the center. For that we need to calculate one simple calculation. That is isometric height, isometric height of the sphere. Isometric height of the sphere. Let us calculate that h, which is called h. I call it as h. H. Okay, there is a simple formula for this. You remember, h is equal to 0.82. We need to apply the reduction factor 82 is equal to 0.82 multiplied by isometric radius of the sphere. What is the radius of the sphere?
25 mm,
25,
sir.
sir.
Radius of sphere. So that is equal to 0.82 multiplied by 0.82 multiplied by 25. Okay. So can you calculate
20.5.
which is equal to 20 point?
5.
Oh yeah, whatever it may be. So this is the height. We need to take from the center of the rhombus. From the center of the rhombus. How to find the center of the rhombus?
Diagonals.
By taking diagonals, right? If you join the diagonals, let me show separately with the different color. So this is the top rhombus. So I am joining the corners like this. Now I got one midpoint. Okay, from this point I need to take vertically above. Okay, at a distance 20.5. So let me take one line. I will take some other color to show you the difference. Okay, you take this height. For example, this is 20.5. This is 20.5. For example, this is the 20.5. Suppose this you call it as O1 and you call it as some O2. Okay. Now O2 is the center of your compass. O2 is the center. Is the center. You take O2 as center of your compass. What is the radius of your compass?
20.5.
25, sir.
25, sir.
Yes, 25 only. Radius is always same. 25 radius. But O2 is the center. Can you draw one circle from O2? I will use blue color only because this is the original object given. So I got I have to take same circle, but center is O2. Center is O2. Something like this. Okay. Now this is the isometric projection of a whenever a sphere is resting on a square block. This is looking like something like isometric projection of the given combination of the solids. Are you following? Any doubt in this? I will repeat. First, you draw the arrangement in orthographic view. Okay. Generally, we draw the top view because I can find a square block two shape in the top view square, and the sphere in the top view it appears as a circle. The circle diameter is 25, 50 mm, and the square block dimensions are 60 by 60. So only thing is we have added this 20 mm height. We have added this 20 mm height in the isometric view, 20 mm. So for that, what we have done? First, we have done isometric view of a square block. We have done this square block. So at the top of the square block, you are finding one more rhombus. So we found that midpoint O1. From O1 to O2, we have taken isometric height. I call it as isometric height. Isometric height H. So which is equal to 0.82 times the radius of the sphere. So if you calculate this height, you need to take above this O1, you need to take that height. So take that as center, the center of your compass. And radius is again same 25. R is 25 only. Even in the isometric projection, the radius is not reduced, but the height we are having some reduction factor. From where we need to draw the circle. So that is generally called as isometric height of the sphere. Any doubt in this? Please let me know. Anyone?
No.